Hi, it's Chantale from Lepage Cafe. I'm here to show you guys a DT project that I've been working on for a while. I know I've been kind of MIA. I'm going to try to post more videos, more DIYs and stuff like that. But thank you so much for all of the support, even if I haven't posted a video in so long. So this is my DT project with Tracie Fox Creative. It is called Chic. My kids are here, so if the door opens, I'm sorry. We'll just work with it. This is the seam binding closure. It's got a little Paris and a little key. And there is a flower with cheesecloth. There's a little book in here with the scraps that was left over. So there's tea-dyed paper, there's a variety of papers in there to use. It is not for sale. It was already bought, so it will be going to a friend. So if she's watching, thank you, Angie, and I hope you enjoy it. So this guy opens this way. There's a little tag over here, sorry, oh my goodness. And then I made another tag back here. There's a lot of sewing in here. There's a little flower, and I have used purple cabbage for the blue paper. See how it is? And then we've got some avocado paper in here, so it will be pink. So on this side, we'll start on this side. There's a little flower and paper ruffle here. Another flower here with some paper ruffle, and then we got a little word saying and make it count, and on this side it says adventure is worthwhile. So we've got a little book on this side. It's got a total of 3 signatures. This was one that printed wrong, like I ran out of ink or something came out, I can't remember. Anyways, so I just thought I will use it anyways because I kind of liked. Actually, it was from my old printer. That's why that happened. I ran out of ink and then it printed this way. Sorry, I got a new printer since then. Anyways, so we've got some tea-dyed paper. Here's the avocado paper that I was talking about. It is a beautiful pink color. And there's there's a little spot in here. There's some washi tape in there. There's some stenciling as well. Sorry, I didn't really say that. With distress ink, and there's some stamping like that, and stenciling, and here is the purple cabbage paper in there. Tea-dyed paper, some more washi. There's a little spot in here to write if you want, and I did bind that one like this. Oh, I forgot to show the beads. Here's the beads for this one. And then there's a little spot here. Here's one of her beautiful tickets. And then I put it on red cabbage dyed paper. It's like this cool blue color. It's super cool. I will do that again. It just, like, when I saw the papers after I dyed them, I thought, oh my goodness, this is perfect for this journal. It's blue and pink. There's a little pocket here, and then there's a pocket in the back with a little scrap with some more flower little decor right there. Now the main one it opens like this, and there is, now I wanted to use this cute little, hopefully you guys can see this cute little frame, but I wasn't sure how to use it, so I left it in there. There's a cute little pocket from her kit, and this is her paper as well. Tracie's beautiful design. And see how I've got it on avocado paper, and they complement each other so well. I love these dots as well. So here's our paper, and the pocket is in the front here, so you can add stuff if you want. This journal is not for sale. It is already bought, so just so you know, but I still wanted to show and keep record of it. So this is the front. Now I did something a little different with this one. I just wanted to, I really love this picture, but it was on the other side, so I decided why not fold it this way and then bring it the other way. So there's a little tuck spot back here that you can write on. And then we've got this one opens up. So what I did was I used another one of her kits to put it on the back. And then it just opens this way, right? So I thought that was kind of cool. And then here's some tea-dyed paper, more stenciling. There's a little one of her cards that is backed with red cabbage paper. Some beautiful avocado. There's a little dangle right here. And this little guy is just a little booklet inside. And then more stenciling. A lot of beautiful little trim. I was trying to keep it pretty elegant and simple. And then the middle of this one, I've got a little tiny Eiffel Tower and a little bead. And then this one, there's a pocket. I might add another tag in there, I'm not sure yet, but there's another one of her tags. And then I put it on the pink avocado dyed paper, and there's a ruffle. Another little pocket back here. Now, the first time I printed them on a yellow cardstock, like a file folder, and I found that they were a little too yellow, so I only used a couple in here, but the main paper is lighter. So, and then I've got a little spot here with little flowers, a little, I can't even talk. Oh my goodness, it's been too long, you guys. There's another little dangle. Hopefully I'm showing everything. There's another dangle up here and a little tag in there. I reinforced it with washi tape because it was pretty brittle. So, and here's the back part of that paper that I decided to fold, right? So that's the, and then there's the second signature. Here is avocado paper, purple cabbage dyed paper, and then there's a little envelope here. Oh, there, I know what I could put in those text spot, that little envelope that fell out from somewhere, wherever it is. Anyways, I can do that after. And then there's a spot here that opens out with the beautiful tea-dyed paper. I just put a little grunge in there. And then there's more paper here. So she can write as much as you want. There's a little tuck spot there. This guy opens out this way. And there's a lot of room for, here you go, a lot of room for writing. Here's another little envelope. And then there's another tag here. More of the stenciling. And then there's the last, and I might add a little card there. And then the back has also got a pocket back here. So, and her nice beautiful picture. So that's what it is. It's pretty, not so full, but there's lots of room for writing. There's lots of room to add her own touch. And it just goes like this. And the back is just plain. I will stamp it and sign it. And hope you guys enjoyed it. So I'm working on a different project. And I will try to do a like craft with me. But I have 5 kids. So it gets pretty busy and pretty loud in the house. So I will see what I can do. Maybe I can videotape it and then do like a, where you talk over your video. I can't even think of the word. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. And I will link all of Tracie's shop. And this kit is Ula Chic. It's so pretty. And I'm excited about working on my next project. I have this super cool project that I will talk to you guys about. I'm gone for the rest of the week. I will probably do a video next week sometimes, maybe next Wednesday. I'm not sure. I'm not going to promise anything. And I noticed like all you subbies, there is so many more. So thank you so much for following me, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye for now. Take care.